Guys, so in today's video we're going to be showing you our updated straight to curly routine. The main difference is the products, of course, two of them being from Living Proof. Thanks so much to Living Proof for sponsoring this video. Two of the hero products that we'll be featuring in this video are the Living Proof Curl Shampoo and the Living Proof Curl Conditioner. So keep watching to see these two faves in action. Okay guys, so for our straight to curly hair routine, the first step for us is always detangling before we start to shampoo and condition so that we have no tangles during the shampoo and conditioning process. And we also do this to evenly distribute all the natural oils throughout our hair. Your ends really benefit from those natural oils, so brushing them through really softens the hair and makes the curls bounce back even faster. And at this point, our hair has been straight for about a month, so we have plenty of natural oils in our hair, a lot of edge control, just a lot of styling in general was done throughout the month that we had it straight. So you don't have to add oil if you don't want to, if you already have the natural oils, but if your hair is pretty dry, you can add oil. So once we're in the shower, we like to run warm water on our hair for at least 2 to 3 minutes. This just gets the curls to start getting familiar with curling back up. So you kind of have to tell your curls what is going on and kind of tell your hair what to do. And water is the first step at getting the curl bounce back. So shampooing, of course, is the next step. We're using the Living Proof Curl Shampoo. Depending on how your scalp feels, you can use a moisturizing shampoo or a clarifying shampoo with tea tree or peppermint. This time we use the Living Proof Curl Shampoo because it's super moisturizing, but it still gets your scalp clean like a clarifying shampoo would. So don't let the thick consistency fool you. It's still very, very clarifying, but it cleanses without stripping the hair of its natural oils. It also works on all curl types and it makes the curls 3 times stronger after one use. It's also free of sulfates and parabens and it's vegan and cruelty free. And there's always been this big debate about whether you should shampoo your ends as well, and for us it has always been better for us to focus the shampoo on our roots and let the shampoo rinse through the strands as we rinse out the shampoo. It just makes the hair less tangled and way more manageable. The hair on the ends is still getting cleaned, so you do what works for you, but this was one of the things that made the biggest difference in our hair growth journeys. So normally when I'm washing my curly hair, I don't do a second shampoo, but every time I come back from my hair being straight, I feel like I always have to do a second lather because my hair was extremely dirty from all the gel and edge control I had in it. So here I went in with a second wash just to make sure my scalp was nice and clarified, as well as the rest of my hair. Okay, so the key for us to getting our curls to bounce back fast, of course, is water, but conditioner makes the biggest difference. A really good conditioner is going to make all the difference in getting your curls to bounce back. So the conditioner that we're using is the Living Proof Curl Conditioner. This conditioner is really thick, so it's perfect for thick curly hair, and if your hair is more coarse, it's super helpful at putting the added moisture back into the hair that it really needs, and it also starts defining your curls before you even apply any stylers. So as you can see, as we're rinsing the conditioner out, that the hair is already super shiny and defined. So your shampoo and conditioning step is just as important as your deep conditioning step and your stylers. So for deep conditioner, we're using an OG favorite, that's the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Hair Mask. This is one of our faves because it gives the perfect balance of moisture and strengthening. So if you don't know which one your hair really needs, then this mask is going to do both, so it's perfect. Now, if you have long-term heat damage, that's when you'll need to resort to protein treatments about once or twice a month while using a moisturizing mask weekly. We've managed pretty well going back and forth from straight to curly over the years because when we do use heat, we use a heat protectant and we don't overdo it with the heat. Like not putting heat in your hair every single day when you're wearing it straight is a no. Not using metal, and stretching out our blowout/flat iron as long as we possibly can. That's pretty much how we avoid heat damage. You can definitely do both. Enjoy your straight hair while not having to worry if your curls will bounce back. Just be cautious and always keep the protein and moisture in rotation. The hair benefits from both. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. We hope it was helpful to you guys. If you guys want to see our actual styling process, then check out our natural hair routines and tutorials playlist, and we will see you guys in the next video.